Hello, welcome. We're looking at a basic tutorial on how to set up Laravel on a Linux computer. And we're going to be making use of Ubuntu 19.04, which is the current Ubuntu release as of this recording. So I got Ubuntu set up on a virtual box on my Mac computer. And first thing you need to do is open your terminal. And we're going to run the first command, which is sudo apt get updates to ensure that the system is up and running to the latest Ubuntu updates that are available. And I'll pause the video for a few seconds, get that running, and I'll get back to the tutorial. After the update has been done, the next thing we need to do is get PHP installed on our computer. Sudo apt install PHP 7.2/CLI. I'll get that installed. And after the installation of the PHP, the next software we need to get installed is the CURL. We're going to need it to copy files from a server down to our computer. So we get sudo apt get install RL, and we'll get that installed as well. Next installation is sudo apt php the version 7.2.zip. Get that installed. Okay, we're good to go. Let's get Composer on our computer. curl-s https get get composer.org/installer. The vertical bar PHP, and we let it copy down to our system. And after that, we get this message: use it PHP composer.file. We need to move the composer.phar file to our user bin directory in order for us to access it from any point of our computer. We do that bin and say composer. After that has been moved, then we can type composer and we get a confirmation message that Compose has successfully been installed on our computer. And the next process we need to get onto now is the installation of Laravel on our computer. So to get Laravel installed on our computer, we simply type in the command composer global require Laravel/installer. Now you must understand that most of these commands are not coming on from the top of my head. For example, the Laravel installation command can be found on the official Laravel website, laravel.com. Check documentation and you scroll down. After check, you see installation, server requirements, the installation guide. You can see the command I just typed in now. The Laravel documentation is very rich, and I encourage a lot of people to take time out and go through it, and you're going to get a lot from it. So we'll pause the video for a while and let the installation finish, and I'll be back with you. So we're done with the Laravel installation. The next thing we need to do is edit our path, our operating system path. I'll do that by saying nano.ba bash rc. Takes us to this file. Okay. We're going to copy, we're going to type export. Get that started. Export hot heart. Config composer defender bin. Yeah. Control X to save. Yes, save that. And okay, we say source tilde/.ph. So refresh the file. So if we run Laravel as a command, we get the Laravel installer 2.1.0 is successfully installed. So we navigate to our desktop and say Laravel, run Laravel new blog with the Laravel create command to create a new Laravel app. Okay, we already have it existing on our desktop. So let's cd into blog. Okay, and run PHP artisan serve. We get an error. We need two files installed. The first one we need to install is sudo apt get install PHP 7.2-mb string that allows for character encoding. And the second file we need to install is PHP 7.2 XML that allows us to read and manipulate XML files. 7.2 XML. We get that installed. Okay, so what's wrong? Okay, 7.2, not 7.3. Okay, we get that installed, and after the installation, we can CD back to our desktop. As I noticed, I moved away from the desktop back to our app. I'll say PHP artisan serve. Okay, we got an error. Okay, so composer install composer update. So we get the composer files updated. And while that is happening, we can move over to the block folder, Control H to show hidden files, and we need a .env file. So what we have to do, you can either clone this, but since I'll be making use of this app for anything, I'll just rename it. Move the .example. We're going to need it to run our app. Close that and wait for Composer to update our libraries. I'll pause the video and get back to you after it's done. So Composer is done with all the updates required. I cleared the terminal, and all I have to do now is PHP artisan serve, and we have the Laravel server running. Open it up on the browser, and let's see what we got. Say no application encryption. It wants us to generate a key that will be stored in our .env file. It tells us the beauty of Laravel. It tries its best to help you out with errors. So Control C to stop the server, and I paste that command PHP artisan key generate. Yeah, we're good to go. Let's rerun the server. Rerun the server, refresh the page, and we have a brand new Laravel installation ready to edit, ready to build whatever you can imagine. C Media will be pushing out a couple of videos in the coming weeks, the coming months to get you started with Laravel. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, share, and get your friends on board. Thank you.